Well, you know, if anybody ever needs any kind of lens cleaning action, yes, we do. We offer free lens cleanings. Yes, peekaboo. Peekaboo. Oh, what? What are you doing? Hello there. Anybody home? Look at those blueberries on your face. Look at those blueberry whips. You have such cute blueberry whips. Yes, you do. Yes, you do. Hello. Oh, yes. Yes. Oh, did you get it all? Okay, thank you. Yes, you are just a fun, very funny parrot. Hello. Yeah. What's you doing? I'm just trying to get some cute pictures of you. Yes. Well, thank you. Well, yeah. You look like Gonzo. Is that funny? Is that funny? You're so pretty. We just wanted to see your pretty face. I want to see your pretty face. Your pretty face and your blueberry. Oh, thank you.